Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Drop 'em. I'm here to bring y'all my first episode of A Mile in My Shoes. Basically, I'm bringing y'all tutorials of my everyday life, basically, you know, from photography to video work, graphic designs, things like that. Make sure y'all follow me on all social media networks. I have those links down at the bottom, so make sure you click the link. Also, push subscribe on YouTube so you can get up-to-date videos as I drop them. Today is a rainy day, so I'm here at the house, and luckily I got a package delivered today, and it is this bad boy, the GVM light kit. I got this light off of Amazon. Compared to the lights I got in the past, it was a good price range. Unboxing it, it comes in its own carrying case, which is good, so you won't ever break your light, you know, keep it safe. It's 480 LED lights. It ranges from 2300 Kelvin to 6800 Kelvin. You can also install a soft light diffuser on this light. You can use this light with external battery. It's good for outdoor shoots when you don't have any power. When I ordered this light through Amazon, it didn't come with an external battery, so that's something I would still have to get. It is very easy to install. Just put it on your light stand. It has two switches. You can either use your external battery or a power cord. The color of the light ranges from a dark yellow or orange color to a very bright white, and it also lets you adjust the intensity of that light. As I mentioned before, it comes with a soft light diffuser. You can always use these to lower the exposure on your models. This light also has a swivel top, which makes it easy to adjust. I want to thank you all for watching my very first episode, A Mile in My Shoes. Remember, go and subscribe, and also follow me on social media sites. Thanks.